Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Johnny.
Yeah.
Jonny.
Okay. That one kind of sucks. I'll make you another one.
That's cool though, man. They look like a number one.
Yeah. You want that one?
I'll take that one.
Hey, where are they?
I don't have any. They're back at the truck, if there are any. You're on this. Will you actually take these? They want me at road racing lawn.
Okay. You going over there now?
Please. Thank you.
Come on, Papa.
I think they're calling me. They want me.
Take the sideburns too.
I will, man. You too.